Worldview introduce 8 emotional needs of a man that's making him crazy about you. Want to know how to making a man go crazy about you? It's not as difficult as you think. All you have to do is find out what emotional needs your man has and meet them. What a man can't do without you, you know he's crazy when you feel like you can't live. Let's start. What is an emotional need? Science tells us that emotional needs are psychological requirement for happiness. In other words, it is what helps us feel happy and full of meaning in life. Our physical needs are relatively easy to identify and meet. Identifying and meeting our emotional needs is often more difficult. When it comes to emotional needs, men and women are often seen as on opposite ends of the spectrum. Women are often said to be more emotionally needy than men, but this is seen as being emotionally stoic. The truth is that both men and women have emotional needs that must be met in order to maintain a healthy and lasting relationship. As said, here is the main emotional needs of a man who can making him crazy about you. Number 1. Feeling good. Known one of the emotional needs of men is to feel good. This need manifests itself in many ways, but generally men want to feel competent and capable. When men feel good, they are more confident and more likely to succeed in other areas of life. One of his ways to make a man feel better is to praise him for his achievements. This is possible in both private and public areas. For example, you can tell your partner how proud you are of his promotion at work. This doesn't mean that we should always praise him or that we should only focus on his positive qualities. It is also important to acknowledge his negative traits, offer constructive criticism, and close his thoughts if necessary. Number 2. Sense of mystery. This emotional needs is a little different than others on this list. All other emotional needs can be met in a relationship, but this emotional needs is about what happens before a relationship begins. A man has to feel shrouded in mystery. He doesn't know all about you, and he must still feel that he has something to discover. This enigmatic feeling is the reason why a man crazy about you and chases you. This will make him interested in you and crazy about you. For example, when you go on a date, you can create this emotional need by making your life a little more secretive and not revealing everything to him right away. You can keep your man amazed and keep secrets alive even in long-term relationships by keeping a few things to yourself. Number 3. Feel secure and supportive. When you are in a relationship with someone, you want to feel like they have your back whatever you want to know they support you emotionally in order for you when you need them. This is especially true for men who need to feel they can count on their partner as a source of strength and support when they feel they can't get that from them. It makes him feel more at ease and dependent on her. And even you are still in the dating stage, just being supportive and dependable can help meet that emotional need. Number 4. Feel sexual desire. Sexual desire is one of men's most important emotional needs. When a man feels desired by his partner, it makes him feel wanted and needed. This feeling is essential to his sense of well-being and self-esteem. Indeed, a sense of sexual desire is often what emotionally binds men to their partners. If a man does not feel sexual desire, he may begin to become restless and apathetic. He may start looking for ways to make him feel sexual desire, such as by cheating on you or getting into adult content. Expressing your own desire for his presence and complimenting his sexual performance is a great way to let him know what a desire he is. Number 5. Feel loved and valued. We all want to feel loved and valued, but for men, although they don't always show it, this emotional need can be particularly strong. Many men think of feeling loved as feeling wanted. Therefore, it's important to make sure your man knows how much you want him physically and emotionally. Plus, while words of affirmations are always great, sometimes actions speak louder. So don't forget to show your partner how much you love and appreciate him through your actions. Don't worry if you don't have a relationship with him yet. These emotional needs can be met simply by showing him how much you care and value him as a person. Number 6. Meaning. Meaning is the core emotional need of all humans. We all feel a part of something bigger than ourselves and have a strong desire to have meaning and purpose in our lives. This need can be met in many ways, including work, relationships, hobbies, and interests. When men feel their lives have a meaning, they are more likely to become emotionally attached to the things and people that are important to them. He's also motivated and motivated to achieve his goal. If you want a man crazy about you, one of the best things you can do is help him find the meaning of life. There are many ways to do this, but some of the most effective are to support his dreams and aspirations, to develop his passions and interests, and to be a source of inspiration and positivity in his life. When a man feels like he has a reason to wake up every day, he is more likely to be fully present in every moment and fully engaged in a relationship. Number 7. Deep reception. One of the needs that nearly everyone needs to feel truly satisfied is deeply reception. That doesn't mean a man wants you to agree with everything he says, but that means they need to feel able to be around you without judgment. They need to know that you accept them for who they are, their imperfections, and all. A man can fully let his guard down and open up emotionally only when he feels deeply accepted by his partner. If you can show your partner that you accept him unconditionally, he is more likely to develop a deep and lasting bond with you. Number 8. Feelings of being valued. One of the emotional needs of man is to feel valued. In other words, he needs to know that his efforts will not go unnoticed. When men feel valued, they feel appreciated and are more motivated to keep trying. In addition, feeling appreciated increases a man's self-esteem and makes him feel better. So if you want a man to be crazy about you, let him know how much you appreciate him and what he will do for you. A simple appreciation can go a long way. It's important to remember that emotional needs can change over time. What a guy wants from you when you first start dating may be different from what he wants from you after you've been together for a while. It's also important to remember that not all men are the same. Some men may have other emotional needs not on this list. So remember to use this information as a general guide and not a one-size-fits-all solutions. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell to get more videos like this. Get notified when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.